friends! I'm the king of vegetables. Let's meet my friends, 50 vegetables.
Hello, I am Potato. I can make tasty fries and mash.
Hello, kids. I am Brinjal. I am purple and tasty. You can make delicious curry from me.
Hello, I am cauliflower. I am white and crunchy. I make tasty curries and rice.
Hi, kids. I am Cabbage. I am green and leafy. I make your salad fresh.
Hello, I am bottle gourd. I am green and soft. I make healthy soups.
Hi, I am Tomato. I am red and juicy. I make sauces and soups delicious.
Hi, I am Pumpkin. I am orange and big. I make tasty soups and sweets.
Hello, kids. I am Broccoli. I am green and healthy. I make your dishes yummy.
Hi, I am Ridge Gourd. I am green and long. I make tasty curry. Hi, I am Capsicum. I am green, red, and yellow. I make dishes colorful and tasty. Hello, kids. I am Carrot. I am orange and sweet. I help you see in the dark.
Hi, I am Cucumber. I am green and crunchy. I make your salad yummy.
Hi, I am Garlic. I am white and strong. I make food flavorful.
Hello, kids. I am Onion. I am white, red, or purple. I make every dish tasty.
Hi, I am Chili. I am spicy and red or green. I make food hot and yummy.
Hi, I am Coriander. I am green and leafy. I make your food fresh and tasty.
Hi, I am turnip greens. I am leafy. I make soup and curry delicious.
Hi, I am Drumstick. I am green and crunchy. I make tasty soups.
Hi, kids. I am Turnip. I am white and round. I make yummy soups and fries.
Hello, I am green and leafy. I make your food healthy and tasty.
Hi, I am Spinach. I am green and full of vitamins. I make you strong.
Hello, I am Radish. I am white and spicy. I make your salad tasty.
Hi, kids. I am Sweet Corn. I am yellow and sweet. You can eat me boiled or roasted.
Hello, kids. I am Ladyfinger. I am green and slimy. I make yummy fry.
Hello, I am Beetroot. I am red and sweet. I make your juice colorful. Hello, I am Chayote. I am green and crunchy. I make tasty curry.
Hi, I am Tomatillo. I am green and tangy. I make tasty chutney.
Hi, I am Colocasia. I am purple or brown. I make yummy curry and chips. Hello, I am Cluster Beans. I am green and healthy. I make curry yummy.
Hello, I am Ash Gourd. I am big and white. I make soups, sweets, and tasty dishes.
Hello, kids. I am Tara Leaves. I am green and leafy. I make yummy curry.
Hello, I am Ginger. I am brown and spicy. I make food and tea tasty.
Hello, I am Radish Leaves. I make tasty soup and curry.
Hello, I am French beans. I am long and green. I make tasty stir fry.
Hi, I am Celery. I am green and crunchy. I make soups and salad tasty.
Hello, I am Parwal. I am green and small. I make delicious curry and fry.
Hello, I am Snake Beans. I am long and green. I make dishes healthy.
Hello, kids. I am Yam. I am brown and starchy. I make tasty fry and curry.
Hello, I am green peas. I am small and green. I make dishes healthy and tasty.
Hi, kids. I am Sponge Gourd. I am green and soft. I make tasty dishes and soup.
Hi, I am Bitter Gourd. I am green and bitter. I make tasty curry for health.
I'm Ricket. I am permanently lazy. I am good whenever it's too and stand pets very delicious.
Hi, I am Zucchini. I am green and soft. I make tasty fry and curry.
Album. I'm green and round. I make crunchy salad and tasty curry.
Hi, kids. I am Lotus Stem. I am crunchy and white. I make yummy curry and fries.
Hi, I am Ivy Gourd. I am small and green. I make tasty curry and fry.
I am Mint. I am green and fragrant. I make your chutney yummies.
Hello, kids. I am Snake Gourd. I am green and long. I make delicious dishes.
Hello, kids. I am Tamarind. I am brown and sour. I make chutneys tangy.
Tuggy.
Hi, Hi kids, I am Pea Shoots. I am green and tan.
Hey friends, click subscribe to join me at Learnin' Holidays. See you soon. Thank you for watching me.